Continue for 16 kilometers.
What up? Coming to you live from a very cool vending machine slash rim shop here in Japan. Shout out to Salmon. I've been wanting to come here since my last trip in Japan. He made a video showing off all the cool vending machines. I'm gonna show you guys that. All the cool wheels they have for sale. I'm looking to get some new wheels. I'm looking to always get TRISPOKES. I'm always looking at rims for new customers. And just from standing here, I literally just parked. Look at the heaters. Heart-shaped rims there. These are also very cool. Those are also very cool. These look like speed stars. And I can only imagine what else is hiding behind this gate. So we're gonna go in here. I think it's more than likely that I'm gonna buy at least one set of wheels, even if I have to ship it home, whatever the case may be. And then I have to come here, I think maybe in a whole separate day. And I wanna make a video spending 24 hours only eating from these vending machines. So look, they have a hamburger vending machine, which I could only imagine tastes disgusting. They have two different noodle ones. They have this one, which, I mean, obviously I have to buy that. It looks like they have curry. It looks like they have waffles and ice cream. I'm gonna buy something today for sure, but I believe there's over 100 or maybe 200 or even 500 vending machines. Let me show you guys everything that's here. They got soda. They're also extremely cheap too. Seems like they're refrigerated though. I wonder if I got here too late because a lot of them look sold out. Like ice cream, cup of noodles. Look, there's even popcorn for 100 yen. That's 60 cents. Got more plussy over here. More soda. I can't believe there's beer. That's pretty interesting. But it goes deep. It goes really deep. We're here to focus on rims though. So let me find the entrance to get the wheels. Oh look, they're restocking it now. Maybe it's really fresh. Maybe I'm actually about to have one of the best hamburgers of my life. I wonder if I can just walk inside. No one has came over to stop me, and I've been standing there for a while, so I think you do just walk around and check out the wheels that are here. I like those a lot, but I think the size is too big. Oh yeah, 17 by 7. Those would have been cool on one of the cars. It looks like they might only have 2 heart-shaped rims, so sadly maybe I'll ask them about those. You got some TRISPOKES here, 50,000 yen. That's like, let's just say $400 because the US dollar has been dropping like crazy. They got some with tires here. Let me not skip these. The homie Julio just won the Jimny. I know he wants some wheels. I could put these on there for you, bro, if you want. 400 bucks. Those also look Jimny spec. I wonder if this is the price installed, because this is a lot of money. And Upgarage is $80 less. These seem like they could be K-spec, but probably very wide. These are 15s. We got some Mendy spec wheels for $80. I still feel like most of these are still too large for a K car. I might slowly transition. So I definitely want more info on the Speed Stars. I also would like more info on... Oh my god. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a 14 by 5 Race C Ultra 4 lug by everything for 30,000 yen. Yes, we are walking away with those. Are these lapping wheels or caps? Oh, these are lapping wheels. Oh, for cheap. Oh my god. All right, so we already hit gold once. Can we find another great set of wheels? The condition looks pretty bad on those, but God, who cares? I'll get them powder coated. I get them powder coated in Japan, honestly. That might be a video in itself. Oh yeah, we're in the K-car side now. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. What else is a heater? I like those a lot too. What's the price? 13 by 5, 1,500. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This might just like, this is gonna really be a game changer. The only flaw is there's no tires, but they have tires. This is really gonna be a game changer. These are one of the videos where it's like, do you even post it? Do you leak the information? Now I'm gonna come back here next week and there's gonna be no wheels. But no, we gotta grab a bunch today. There's even more on the other side, but can I go over there? I really don't want to overstay my welcome. I'm currently boots on the grounding it. Oh, look, there's even more things over here. Alright, so we got more K-Spec wheels. I mean, there's some good stuff for sure. I think when you guys watch this, I can see some people wanting some other stuff. I know my eyes are pretty glued to anything tri-spoke, but I think like these are nice. I think those are nice. I think these black ones are nice. Like these are decent. They're probably really inexpensive too, because not everybody's really trying to cash out. Those are S2000 wheels. Those are Watanabe's. The homie Ray with the white Vamos wants these, but I mean, they're cheap, but I don't think it's worth buying right now. I feel like I can get this somewhere else with tires. And your car's also very far away, so I'm gonna pass on these. They're cheap, but I just feel like I'm gonna put confidence in myself that I could find you another set closer by. These are, there's 4. These are pretty nice too. 14 by 5. Let's see, is there any cars in Yokohama that need wheels right now? Where's those other like fancy ones too though? Where's in Yokohama that can need wheels right now? But I think I'm gonna grab one of the employees, and I'm actually very curious to see how they're gonna get these wheels down. Yeah, I don't see a ladder, but I'm assuming they have one. I want these. They look like they're really bad condition based off the face, but for 30,000 yen, 4-lug everything, I'm a tri-spoke whore. I just have to buy them. I'll get them powder coated, whatever the case may be. And then I'm also thinking about grabbing these guys right here. I don't see a price or size, but I'm gonna assume maybe, hopefully 13 or 14 by 5. I don't like going any wider than that. And then I saw these also, but and then, oh wait, these are the ones I kind of want to look at. I think there's only 2 though, and they look very, oh no, there's 3. Yeah, I don't really need them. I'm gonna come back, but I definitely want to buy these and the tri-spoke. So let me grab somebody. Let me whip out the Japanese and be like, sorry, my son. I've also lied. No lie. I've learned a lot of Japanese. Like recently, in the last week, I've been really like, all right, I gotta figure this shit out. Oof. Heat. I don't know what I was expecting, but hey, there. So I believe those are sold out. I guess I'll just grab the tries for now. Now we have a baseline of a cool shop. We're actually going to go to an Upgarage after this. I was going to go to Upgarage first, but I was like, I'm not wasting my time at more Upgarages. I know there's nothing there. Upgarage is great for, you know, if you see something on the website, you can pinpoint the location of the store. You can drive over there, you can get it, or you can have them ship it to your nearest store. But as far as the hunt, and oh my God, am I going to find something? That's kind of gone. Every baller just had like a Nardi. 20 yen. That's like 8 cents to play that game. I'm not gonna lie, I just walked past these dudes and they had like hamburgers and noodles and it smelled delicious. I definitely gotta make a video spending 24 hours here or something like that. Just spending the whole day eating here. And then while I'm here, I gotta grab some type of snack. So let's start this guy up. Let's make some space for the new tries. So this one is really bad, and I would say the other ones are decent for its age. kind of like that they're white too, so I'll probably get these powder coated. I'm gonna see if I can actually do it in Japan, like all jokes aside. But they all have the caps, which then themselves are worth $100. All right, so I think a very safe option is popcorn. Not sure how. Oh, I was just about to say I'm not sure how it works, but here we are, 100 yen later. Okay, so this doesn't look buttered at all. Let's make sure not to litter. All things considered, delicious. It's salted, not buttered, but salted. 70 cents. How can you go wrong? Now to wash down my tasty popcorn. I know I got a date with Miss Husky coming soon. Why not get a head start? I'm gonna grab, let's grab the melon. Let's grab the melon since we're in Japan. Another 100 yen. Oh. They might be sold out. I guess let's go here. Okay. And we're just gonna wing it. Let's press the middle one. This, my friends, is... I don't even know. Well, I will be back. And we will spend a long time here eating, working on my laptop, ice cream, hamburgers, whatever takes us on the crazy adventure of the vending machines, but a very successful trip. Oh, it's just Mitsui cider. Not bad. And it tastes like, it's like Sprite. On to the next stop. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, anyone who's watching this video right now, I'm currently in Upgarage. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing good here as far as wheels go. Bunch of snow tires. I mean, the thing is that there's... Let me rephrase this. When it comes to K cars, Upgarage, in my personal opinion, is not the best. This is what we have K car wise. As you can see, it's also significantly less than the other shop, which I thought, like, look at this. These are 13-inch rims, 145/80/13. The tires are from 2001. They're 16,000 yen, which is $100. That is an amazing price. All right, so update. There's actually legitimate heat in here. I'm buying these solely because I'm a TRISPOKE hoarder. They're only $100. They're 17x7, can't fit any K car. But I just like the way they look, and I think they'll look really good in my wall once we eventually have a WayBeforeTheFame garage shop a couple of years from now. Also, I'm buying these for one of the Patreon homies who just bought a sandbar at the auction. I think they are like $450 shipped. Toyo Open Country's 2023 tire, black, just nice. It's for a farm. I think that's a solid cop. $450 installed at that. And then look at this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody watching. I can't believe I started saying that Upgarage. I mean, Upgarage again. Back to what I was saying earlier. If you have a big boy car, there's heat all around. But I think when it comes to K cars, there just isn't much. If you have a 5-lug, a wheel that, 8.5, you could, it's cherry pickings for you here. Someone like us, we just get the scraps of the cool stuff. But look at this, speaking of K cars. I sold these for a Jimny, they're really cool. Then I looked a little harder and realized they're actually dry rotted and the tires are from 2017. But still not too much, 50,000. Whenever you see this price, by the way, this is prior to tax, so that's the real price. I think 50,000 for just wheels. I'm not sure if these are some rare, really nice ones. I don't know if it's worth it, but let me show you guys something that I've been in here, no exaggeration, for maybe almost an hour, contemplating what to do about this. In front of us, we have a red Fields Honda Beat hardtop. And on the stock list, we have a red Honda Beat. It's 62,000 yen, which in my opinion isn't too much money. I just never mounted one of these before, so I'm not sure if I'm missing any hardware. I don't see anything there. I don't know if it comes with the bolts. I would have to ask. But this is also not the prettiest, but to get a hardtop for your Beat for, let's say, $1,000, I see the latches there. I think that's a good price. I'm not confident enough to buy this right now, but I'm throwing it out there. If anybody's interested, Hopefully it's still here by the time you guys are watching this video. Maybe I already bought it. Also, I almost left without mentioning these ground snow tires, which is probably the only flaw, but 13x4 tri-spokes Honda center caps. If anyone's interested. Oh, it's also 10% off. Actually, damn. Do I need these? And just like that, I'm back to Cali squatting. We got these 4 wheels with tires, 2 in here, 4 tries, 4 more in the car, and I'm leaving without the hard top. Doesn't mean I won't be back though. Update just made to the yard. If you guys remember the homie who has the nice green midget back in Brooklyn, Israel, he's thinking about buying this camper and taking all the camper stuff out of here, putting it in his Atrai, and then just selling it as a nice 4-wheel drive, fully serviced, brand new clutch K-van, which I think is a really good idea. So I'm just here taking some videos for him. Israel, if you're watching, comment below. I don't know if you ever even commented before, but I'm surprised this one just doesn't sell for $5,000 just outright. I think it's a sick van. If I was leaving soon, 100% would buy this. I really like this Fiat. I'm not sure what it's called, but look at it. Oh crap, it's nighttime now. I forgot to record. I was in the office all day bidding on cars. I end up getting the white C Ultras from that spot for 30,000 yen, which is like less than $200. And then I bought these, which I had absolutely no business buying. These are the Advan 83A. I'm not sure the name actually. I put a picture on screen of what they look like. But I got those solely for my hoard, but at 150 bucks. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. I'm not going to pretend that was a good purchase. That was stupid. But for my mental health, great purchase. How could we forget about the popcorn too? I wasn't joking. That thing was delicious. But I'm in this video here. Let's start to try. It's still doing good. I really like the comments you guys said. It gives me some real good reassurance. Is the car perfect? No. But is it doing what a 24-year-old K-van should be doing? Yes. I love that most of the comments are basically saying, you know, just send it, drive it till it dies. When it dies, put a new motor in it. And that's essentially what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned for part 3 of the Atrai build. We're going to finish up the speakers. We're going to get a radio. We're going to put underglow. We're going to make this one even nicer. Still need to finish up the 2 rear speakers that go there. And then after that, it needs a deep clean. I want to also debadge it, but that's a different story. I might buy a rubber wheel just to take this all off. Or maybe I'll drop it off to a detail spot because it's filthy. I haven't even got a car wash since it's been purchased in the auction. So it needs just a car wash at the bare minimum. But I want this white to pop. I'm about to fly Teggy out here so he can work his magic on this. I got to find a JDM Teggy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Road to 40K. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.